tutorial for Making It Hot, and I love this dance. It is so much fun. It is an advanced dance, so it's pretty tricky, but we're gonna break it down so everyone can do it. It is 32 counts, and there's a 16 count tag that happens 3 times in the dance. It is 2 walls, and there are no restarts. So for teaching you the dance on this video, I'm gonna be using, this is my 12 o'clock wall, 3, 6, and 9, because for the first 4 counts, I'll be facing the 12 o'clock, but after that, I'll move and I'll be facing the 6 o'clock wall. So it will make sense when we do it. You're gonna start by doing a grapevine to the right. So you're gonna step out to the right, behind with your left, out to the right again, and then you're gonna cross your left foot in front. So these are our first 4 counts for the dance. So it will be 1, 2, and 3. So for the 4th count, this is 1 motion. You're going to be stepping to the right while doing a sweep with your left leg over your left shoulder into a half turn. So I'll demonstrate that. You're going to be stepping to the right as you sweep and immediately doing a behind side cross. So that will mean you're going to step behind with your left, out to the side with your right, and then cross your left foot in front. So I'll do that slowly again. So we'll be stepping to the right, left, right, cross, step to the right as you sweep, do a behind, side, cross. So just those counts will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. This next part is tricky. I'm going to quickly demonstrate it. This is when you do but to break it down, so after you cross over, you're going to be lifting your right knee up. Then you're going to be pointing your right toe out to the side as you bring your left ankle in. And so we're going back and forth. So then you'll point your toe in as you bring your right knee in again. And it's just going back and forth like that. So out, in, out, in. And that will be and 7 and 8. So after you end with your left toe over here, it will be and 7 and 8 and. And then right after that, we'll go into the first count of the second section. But let's put that together from the top. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. I'm going to do that one more time. I'm going to speed it up a little bit. So from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. So since you're ending on an and count, the first count of the next section, we're going to be pointing your right toe out to the side. This will be 1. Then you're going to hold for a count. So we'll go and 1, hold 2. So you're going to step together for your and count. Put your left toe out to the side for 3. Then we're going to be doing a quarter turn to the 9 o'clock wall, while doing a flick with your left foot. So you'll do 4. So let's just do that after this part. It ends here. So you go 1, hold 2, and 3, 4. So to continue this section, we're going to be stepping forward with our left. That will be an and count. Then you're going to start stepping forward with your right for 5. And then you're going to sway your hips around like a body roll for 6. And then we'll go into a coaster step, left, right, left, and then we'll be 7 and 8. I'm going to put that together from the and 7 and 8. And 7 and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm going to put the first 2 sections together from the top. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, Third section is very tricky and it will take a few times to practice because it goes very fast too. So after you do your coaster step, we're going to be stepping forward with your right foot, then stepping forward with your left foot, then you're going to hitch, and then we're going to step out to the left, out to the right, into the left, and then cross your right. So let's do that again very slowly. So after the coaster step, we'll go right, left, hitch, out, in, cross. So for those counts, I'll also do that very slowly. So coaster step, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So your fourth count will end with your right foot crossed over your left. And then to end this section, you're going to be stepping out to the left for 5, do a quarter turn to the 12 o'clock for 6, step back 7, you're going to do heel swivels to the right for and then back to the center for 8. So after the coaster step, we'll go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So in the dance, it goes, if you've seen the dance with the music, it is very fast. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's about the speed in the dance. It is super fast, so you can replay this section, practice it a few times, and then slowly speed it up. Let's put that together from the top, all 3 sections. I'm going to still keep it pretty slow. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and now let's do the last section. So you're going to do another coaster step. So step back, left, right, forwards. Then you're going to step forward with your right foot. Do a pivot turn so you end up facing the 6 o'clock wall. Then we're going to do a rock forwards. Recover on your left and step back together. Then we're going to rock out to the left, recover on your right, and cross the left shoulder. So again, it will be a coaster step, left, right, left, step, pivot turn, rock, step together, rock, recover, and cross. And those counts will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let me put all 4 sections together from the top, and I'm going to keep it at this speed for now. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. So I'm going to do 2 walls from the top a little bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Whew, I'm out of breath. Okay, so now let's do the tag. Okay, so the tag happens 3 times. It's 1 after the 4th wall and twice after the 6th wall. And it is 16 counts. I'm going to be facing this way when I do it so you guys can see me from the back so it's easier. So we start by doing a lunge to the right and step back together. Then you're going to do a lunge to the left and step back together. Then we're going to lunge right again, but this time, instead of stepping back together, you're going to do a full turn over your right shoulder. And when you end the turn, you should end with your legs apart in a jump. So it will go right, turn, jump. So let me do that section from the top. So we'll go right, together, left, together, right, turn, jump out. To end this first section of the tag, after you jump out, you're going to bring your heels in. So let me do that with the counts. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the second half of the tag, we're going to bring our toes in from here. So this will be your and count. Then you're going to bring your heels back in for 1. Then you're going to hold for a count for 2. Then we're going to be stepping forward on our right foot. We'll do a quarter turn to the left. And you can use your arms to turn as you do this. So you can do a quarter turn like this. Then we're going to step forward on the right again, do another quarter turn. And then we're going to end it by stepping forward and doing a half turn. So let me do that section with the counts. It'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then from there you go back into the beginning. So let me count the full tag with both sections. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to do the full dance and the tag right after each other with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. Let us know what dances you want to learn next.